Terramin. We have projects in Algeria and South Australia. We're a developer of base metal and precious metal companies. We're looking forward to being able to develop the Terramin project in Algeria and the Burden Hand gold deposit in the Adelaide Hills of South Australia. Firstly, about Terramin. Terramin is in Algeria, which is an emerging mining jurisdiction. It has been a country that's been very aggressively pursuing oil and gas development for many years and is now looking forward to bring on a new mining industry, particularly around base metals. Our Terramin deposit represents, I guess, a flagship project for them to be able to develop zinc and lead production close proximity to the Mediterranean and to major markets in the European area. It's a very large deposit, 53 million tonnes, grading 6.6% zinc and lead combined. A very long life project, 21 years of production. It's going to be a project that will be able to take through for multiple commodity cycles and be able to deliver that nation building concept for Algeria. We also have the Burden Hand project in South Australia, very high grade gold, 13.6 grams per tonne. If it was in production today, it would be the second or third highest grade mine within Australia. Resource is about 252,000 ounces of gold. We've been working towards being able to use our old Angus processing facility so that we can capitalise on our historic contribution to the mining sector in South Australia and be able to utilise those assets to bring Burden Hand back into production more than 100 years after it first produced gold. Just this week during the conference we were able to release our Terramin optimisation study. It results in an additional 8 million tonnes to the reserve, taking the reserve to 33 million tonnes at 8.1% zinc. It's a landmark event for us. It means we'll be able to look at increasing the scale of production from the already planned 1.32 million tonnes per annum to 2 million tonnes per annum and be able to generate significant returns for shareholders from that quality long life asset. Yeah, I'm here this week with Simon Yacopetta, our CFO. He comes out of a number of high quality Australian companies, most recently with Ramelius. I've joined Terramin less than 4 months ago, coming out of Panos and Mineral Deposits. We've basically come from companies that have been able to take that big leap from exploration to producer and be able to deliver consistent, sustained value for shareholders. For zinc, Terramin represents exposure to a multi-cycle, large-scale development of which there is very few coming onto the market these days. We're very bullish about zinc early next decade. We're short base metals. There's a lot of demand from this coming through. We believe that that's one of the things that investors will like to see next decade and beyond. I'd also like to say that there is broad recognition of the high grade and quality of the assets in South Australia. There is a great tradition and history of mining within the state, and we're hoping to revitalise mines in the Adelaide Hills that haven't been producing for 100 years. Very limited exploration and being able to bring them back into production. Yeah, it's been a great week. We've been up here talking to investors, the quality of the meetings that we've been having. People are all focused on exactly what we want to talk about. We don't have a lot of people coming in wanting to sell us things, other than being able to talk about investment and being able to deliver quality relationships that can deliver for us in the future.